The Boating Adventure channel update, post number 131. Well, a very good afternoon to you. It is Sunday the 3rd of August 2025 and I'm out paddling on the Macclesfield Canal. It's quite calm now. It was a horrible day to begin with. Up on the Staffordshire moorlands it rained very hard this morning, so I couldn't get out until this afternoon. So it's been a fairly short paddle today, but I'm now heading back so that I can pack the kayak away, travel back to the caravan and have my tea because it's getting on. My next video is a paddling video, and it's when I did the previous part of the Macclesfield Canal. I went from bridge 25 down to bridge 30, and that involved going through the town of Bollington. So I had a variety of views. So that will go out next week on Saturday. That will be Saturday the 9th of August 2025, and that will go out hopefully at 8 a.m. The video is made and at the moment I've left it uploading to YouTube in the caravan, but the upload speed today seems really poor, so it might not have done it by the time I get back. So as soon as it uploads I can do the final bits to it, the details and the headings and that kind of thing, and get it out ready for next Saturday the 9th of August 2025 at 8 a.m. I'm just listening to some rumbles of thunder in the distance, so I really want to make some tracks now and get this boat out of the water. So I'd like to thank you for your continued support, and as always, do take care.